guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Christina and I am so excited for today. I have something that I've been waiting for about a year now, because last year the Apple release was not to my liking, so now we are here again with the iPhone 15. And I'm so excited to unbox this for you guys. I know that the iPhone 15 content is something that is highly sought for, so I have it here today for you. The phone was released yesterday. I have it today, and I've been waiting all day to unbox this for you. I'm so excited to get into this bag. I also have some really cute accessories here that we're gonna try on the phone, and then a camera lens protector. So cute. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into this video so we can see what this is all about. So I got the iPhone 15 Pro in the white titanium. I think personally the white titanium is the best color for me, and I'm gonna tell you some reasons why I went with white titanium. So the black titanium was a very clean look, and it's nice. A lot of people do like the blue titanium, but you guys, black and blue titanium is not a natural color. So over time, that color is going to start to fade off from the phone, and the natural color titanium is going to show through. So if you're somebody that really cares about how their phone looks and the cleanliness of the phone, you're not going to want to do blue or black titanium. You can wear a case over the phone for the entire life of the phone. I do like clear cases, so that would not have worked for me. 2, I did not like the natural titanium. It looked more of like a mud or a clay color rather than golden. So I felt the white was the best one, because in the event that the white would ever start to peel, the color on the edges where it would start peeling is going to be so close to the natural titanium color that you honestly would never really notice that there was something wrong. It's also very stunning, and every time I get a new iPhone, I'll get the gold or the blue or the purple, and I always say, wow, I should have gotten the silver one. So here we are with the silver 15 Pro. I have a lot of hopes for this phone this year. I'm hoping that the camera really lives up to the expectations that Apple has marketed, because if it doesn't, I'm returning it. Enough said. I would just get something cheaper because my old iPhone is running out of storage. So without further ado, let's open this. I just want to get right into this unboxing. This year they changed the charging cable. In case you haven't heard, there's no more lightning cable. It is now USB-C to C, and I'm actually really looking forward to that. I have so many USB-C to C cables already, so this is not a problem. I'm really excited to have more compatibility with the other technology in my room, and just being able to connect things like this is really exciting. So all of those lightning cables, I'm going to find new homes for them. I'll probably keep one for my AirPods, and then if my mom doesn't upgrade her phone, I will just donate them. And then these are the accessories. So let's go ahead and peel off this sticker, and let's see what we have. And also, if I drop something in this video, I'm going to be so sorry. Look at her in all of her beauty. That's really nice. My old phone is the iPhone 13. I usually go for pro models, but when this came out, I just couldn't say no to the pink. It was just so cute. And then I decorated it. I made a bunch of stickers. I made a sticker of my dog. That's my dog Xena. Isn't she so cute? That is a little baby. But yeah, I couldn't say no to the pink.
A few moments later.
So that is it for today's unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.